Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to limit iPhone charging to 80%. Alright, let's begin. Apple provides a built-in feature that helps reduce battery aging by stopping charging at around 80%. To enable this, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Battery. Inside, tap on Battery Health and Charging. Here you will see an option called Optimized Battery Charging. Turn this on. When enabled, your iPhone learns your daily charging habits and will pause charging at about 80% until you actually need to use it. If you want more control, iOS 17 and above offers a charging limit option for some iPhone models. It lets you set a maximum charging limit of 80%. This ensures your phone will never go beyond that level, even if kept plugged in overnight. So that's basically how you can limit iPhone charging to 80%. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.